Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffani Beaston from Beauty and the Beastons, and I upload every single Tuesday and Sunday. Today is Sundays at Tiffany's, and Tuesday will be my mermaid party prep for my daughter's 4th birthday party. I'd like to do a lot of like DIY party stuff, so I'll be doing that. But I thought it would be kind of cool to do like a vlog style, get it all done. I wish I could call it something else. I'm just not really sure what to call it because it's not going to be like a day in the life. It's just going to be productive things that I'm doing today. I don't know. Maybe some like to-do list motivation. I really don't know what to call it. But anyway, I thought it would be cool to do this today because you never really get to see what like all the preparation that goes into the party prep. So a couple of things, like today I need to go through all the decor that I have. It's Thursday today when I'm filming this, and her party is on Sunday. I want to bake my cakes today. I want to try making homemade icing. I've tried in the past and I messed it up to where the butter just completely melted on the cake, so I want to try and do that today and see how that comes out. I gotta go to the grocery store to get some stuff for the party. We are ordering catering from Mission Barbecue. I used to try to like cook everything and do the decorating and do the cake, and it was way too much. I don't feel like you should have to kill yourself for your kids' parties. So the reason that I'm really trying to get as much done ahead of time is because I just want to be in the moment at the party and enjoy it. The last couple of birthday parties we've had, I've been up till like 2 a.m. in the morning getting stuff done. So the next day I'm like a zombie and I don't even really truly feel in the moment. So we're gonna do that. Our first stop right now is I'm at Michael's. I'm still very like puffy. I have been sick and I'm finally better, thank God. I'm still like a little congested, you can hear. But I'm at Michael's for a couple of things. I'm trying really hard not to get sidetracked by like fall decor, but it's not every day that I get to go and browse the store by myself. The kids are actually at my mother-in-law's house right now swimming. So that's how I have this free time right now. So let's go ahead and go into Michael's. In Michael's, let me just remind myself, I'm looking for a cake pan because I think I want to do like a 2 different size layered cake. I'm looking for, stuff to make the centerpieces. I want to make mermaid centerpieces. So yeah, let's just kind of go through this together. I'm not exactly sure how this video is going to go, but I just miss being able to talk to the camera and stuff. A lot of times, like if I were to have my kids here, Chris vlogs for our family channel like once a week or something like that. If I would have my kids here, I wouldn't have been able to complete a sentence or a thought, so it's just kind of different. I don't know, I just feel like I'm able to talk more to you when they're not here. So it's on days when they're like at my mother-in-law's, I try to like do vlog style stuff so that we can kind of like catch up and talk. Also, this is my new favorite cup. I got it on sale for $20 from Amazon, and it's not a Stanley cup that's like a bajillion dollars. I mean, I can't hate on any cups or whoever wants to spend that much money on a cup, but it's just not my jam. So I'm gonna be happy with my reduced cup right here. And also, let's talk about my nails. So you know, I always get like a shorter nail, and I was like really into this show on Netflix when they were doing my nails yesterday, and I looked down and they were super long, and I didn't have the heart to tell her to cut them down more. So that is why I got these fancy nails. I feel like I should go like type on a keyboard or something. Anyway, let's go into Michael's. I've been doing this for 5 years and I still find it incredibly awkward to have your camera out going to a store, so I'll probably just be like very quiet about this. If you do like videos like that, you have to check out Pretty and Flawed. I love watching her shop with me videos, and she gives zero cares if anybody's around her, but I like watching these because you don't always get to go out to the stores, so I think it's kind of nice. They're really pretty. I've been dying to go through my fall stuff too. I wonder if I'll be able to get to that today. See what I have. I ordered a couple of things from Amazon already though. Whew, okay, just got done grocery shopping. I'm looking at my list and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot like 4 things, but it's fine because I don't need them for what I need today. The main things I needed for today were cake ingredients, icing ingredients, and ingredients for making a reel for our place. I'm working with them. I'm really excited because I love their pots and pans. it's been like a little bit more work for me with work, because I recently left my management company a couple months ago, and so like I'm doing all of that stuff too. But I like it better because, one, I don't have to give away like a percentage of whatever I get, but also because I can talk like directly with brands and like kind of figure things out with them. So it's been nice. It's just definitely been more work, but I'm excited to be working with Our Place again. So I'm gonna make a reel for them, and I could show that recipe in this video too. I'm excited to make it. It's like a sweet potato, kale, bacon, chicken, like all one pot skillet. It sounds like all amazing. Those flavors together are gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna cook that, and then I made out really well in Michael's. I was gonna do like a little haul, but it's just like way too hot, and I have my air conditioner turned down. So I'll show you once I get home. I can't wait to get home to Chris and the baby. So yeah, BRB. I want to show you what I got. I got these two planters on clearance. Oh my gosh, planters on clearance. They were $4 a piece. Just love the black and gold together. These two pans were also on clearance, $5 a piece. They're the perfect size that I needed. Got these, and I'm gonna spray paint them with these two. I honestly just really felt like playing with spray paint. You can hear Abby laughing in the background. Some Cupcake Liners. This I thought was such a cool find to add to my teacher gifts that I'm making this year. They're magnetic, and they're also like dry erase. This was $5.99 for 5 of them. I got some more candy melts. I got a lot from Party City already, but I just want to make sure I have everything that I needed, and then have some more stuff over here. Hold on. Over here I got these. I thought that would be fun. I feel like we've seen these on TV before. They're like $6 and they're mermaids, so I thought it'd be cute to add to Ella's birthday gift, which is a bike. I got this because I'm incredibly extra. It was 30% off of 15. Who knows if it'll actually look like this, but it's really cute to remember the first day of school, and I'll let my neighbors use it if they want to. This was on clearance for $1. We use ribbon for all kinds of stuff, so gold glitter, you can't go wrong. This was on clearance for $2. I might use some of this on our centerpieces that I'm not even completely sure how I'm doing. These are color changing straws that were on clearance. I want to say they were $1.40, but I thought I could put these out at the party. The kids will get a kick out of them. And then just some paper for signs that I'm going to make on the Cricut for her party. And then this was such a great find. Hold on. And of course, when you go to Michael's, you have to use your 20% off coupon, but I thought this was really cute, especially for like the theme that we're going with. So it's like an ombre glitter. Really like perfect mermaid colors. So we'll see how that comes out. And then over here I have everything set up for my reel. I always just like to get all my stuff ready ahead of time. So I have all my ingredients ready for the reel. It just sounds so delicious, and hopefully it will be. But you just basically cook up some bacon in your pan, then you add your chicken, take them both out once they're cooked, and then add in like the rest of the ingredients and let them cook. So we got chicken, bacon, chicken stock, some kale, some sweet potatoes, salt, pepper, garlic, and crushed red pepper. Does it smell good? Does it smell good? Yes. Alright, you guys, this smells like heaven. I think we did okay on the reel. We'll see when we put it all together. Is that funny? Alright, let's eat. This is really, really good. Definitely has like a little kick to it. Really good though. All the flavors just like are just meant for each other. Okay guys, so we just got to the club, BJ's that is. We always do this before parties and grab like our drinks and things like that, just to get things in larger quantities. So let's see, I always find something pretty cool too, so we'll see what we find. Favorite section, all the office supplies. Such a loser, but I've always been this way. Oh, diamond pens. Those are cute. But this is what we got so far, because the boys, this was on their school list, so I really need to go and see what I still need. Mama. So instead of doing a haul when we get home, you saw that I got these. This is for Everly. She likes to use this at the bay. These will be gorgeous for the party. I always like to do fresh flowers at our parties. These are hands down the most inexpensive here. I don't think I can get it out. My kids love these and they're so expensive at the store, but here for 8, they're about 10 bucks. So we got 2 of those. The drinks for the party. We got adult beverages the other day. We needed some helium. These are for the kids to play with at the party. This was a steal, so I can't really show you that well. It's a beach bounce water park. I'll put a picture on screen here. You can kind of see on the bottom. You'll see it in Chris's party video. And Cleo bars. These are kids' favorites. Then all the fruit trays just look sad, so I'm just gonna make my own fruit tray. These are also for the party. Fruit. I didn't have a juice that I like really wanted to give the kids, so we're gonna try these. No sugar added. Hopefully they're good. These for other drinks, plates. These are always good to have, and I do personally feel like we get the best prices at BJ's on stuff like that. And then here's my random stuff. So I got 3 of these. Well, this one I only got 1 of because I only had 1 left. But it's 4 tea. I thought it'd be perfect for Ella for winter once it gets colder. I got 3 of these. 1 for both of my girls and then 1 for Scarlett, but they were also on clearance for $2. Really cute and really, really soft. Hello, I'm yellow. Alright guys, so it is 9:27. I just have a couple more things to insert into this video. One is restocking my morning and nighttime supplements. I just wanted to include that in here because I love my new pill case that I got, and I want to encourage you to, you know, take care of your health. So I'm going to put that in here. I know it's random, but I find it like satisfying and motivational. So anyway, I have that. That's from Amazon, so I'll link that below. But now I'm gonna insert Chris putting together Ella's birthday presents. That's always something we try to do like ahead of time. Tomorrow, Friday, is like really doing as much as humanly possible, and then the day of the party is just like setting up like the foods and all that kind of thing, any last minute decorations, getting all of us ready, getting the house looking clean, all of that. So thank you all so much for watching. I know today's video was a little different, but I hope you enjoyed it, and then I will see you on Tuesday for the party prep. I have my other camera here with my party prep memory card in it, ready to go and start on that video right now. It's 9:30 and I'm hoping to be in bed by 11:30 the latest, so I'm just gonna like do as much as humanly possible in these next 2 hours. I think I'm gonna bake the cake and make some frosting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on Tuesday.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.